If you're seeing iPhone unavailable or security lockout on your screen, don't panic. Here are 4 proven ways to fix it and get back into your iPhone. First, if your iPhone says iPhone unavailable, try again in few minutes, just wait. When the timer ends, enter the correct passcode to unlock it, and if you forgot your passcode, move to the next method. On iPhones running iOS 15.2 or later, you will see an Erase iPhone option at the bottom after multiple failed attempts. Tap on it, then enter your Apple ID password, and your iPhone will erase itself, removing the lock. If none of this work, connect your iPhone to a computer. Put your iPhone in recovery mode. Press the volume up button and volume down button. Then hold the power button until recovery screen shows. On your computer, open Finder for Mac or iTunes for Windows. Then choose Restore to erase the device and remove the lock screen. And if Find My iPhone is turned on, turn that off. And for that, go to iCloud.com, then tap on Find iPhone. Select your locked device, then click Erase iPhone. This will wipe your device remotely and remove the lock screen. All these methods erase your iPhone, so make sure you restore from a backup afterward if you have one. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.